Good afternoon. My name is Sergey. I am 19 years old and I would like to briefly tell you about myself. I am a student studying for 3 courses in the Faculty of Mechanics in Ukraine. I want to go to Germany for a summer job to earn a little money to meet new people, make new friends, to see Germany. I am a very open person, diligent, responsible, love to travel and play sport. I can work 2 months in the summer every day, and if necessary more than 4 hours a day. If you have 4 questions to me, I would be very happy to answer. I am sure that if you choose me, you'll be happy with me.